Today we're making peach gummies. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today is something really good because it's roasting hot. In fact, we have a heat advisory in my area, and so I'm making something which does take a little heat, but it's not going to be too bad. I love gummies, they're wonderful, but I'm going to make my own, and I'm going to use peaches. These are just regular peaches. I'm going to put those into my blender. And my goal is to blend these until they are puree. Once I have a nice smooth peach puree, I'm going to pour it into my glass to the half cup mark. Now I'm going to combine my peach puree, and I'm using orange juice. You can use peach juice, you can use whatever kind of juice that you want. And then you're going to take that over to your stove and bring it to a simmer. Now I have removed our mixture from the heat. I'm going to pour in about 2 tablespoons of honey. This is optional. You don't have to add the honey, but it does help sweeten it. I'm going to mix this in well and then let it sit for about 2 minutes so that it can cool slightly. Now that our mixture has cooled slightly, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of gelatin. You're going to mix this until it is completely dissolved. Once your mixture is dissolved, you're just going to pour it into your molds. You can use an eyedropper, you can use whatever you need. Now I'm going to place this in my refrigerator and let this set up till it's nice and firm. Our peach gummies are out of the refrigerator. They are gummy solid. Let me give it a taste. If you are a fan of peaches and you are a fan of the natural flavor, this is it. Now, a couple ways you can cheat with this. You can use peach puree, just like baby food. Get the sweetest peaches that you can find, puree that, and these are so good. But you can also use this for any type of fruit. If you have a fruit which would have seeds in it, just put it through a strainer, a fine strainer, to catch those seeds, and you can have your own gummies. Now, I would keep these into the refrigerator for about a week. These are so good and so wonderful. If you make these, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.